For growing businesses, managing customer requests through a single shared email inbox works right up until it doesn't. As support volume scales, that shared inbox becomes a liability. Accountability drops, replies overlap, and customer requests disappear entirely into the backlog. This chart shows where the threshold breaks. As volume increases, dropped requests spike sharply. Companies migrate to commercial help desks like Zendesk or Freshdesk. They solve the chaos but introduce a financial penalty. Charging per agent means costs increase directly with every new team member. With monthly fees running anywhere from $19 to $99 per agent, scaling a support department quickly becomes a significant line item. Growing organizations find themselves forced to choose between suffering the operational chaos of a shared inbox or paying a compounding fee simply to organize their customer service. Zammad is a free, open-source help desk platform engineered to provide an alternative. It delivers the structured, enterprise-grade ticketing of a commercial platform without the per-user licensing fees. The software consolidates multi-channel support, pulling in daily emails, website contact forms, incoming phone calls, and social media messages into a single, unified system. Every request becomes a trackable ticket with assigned ownership, priority levels, and detailed reporting. Getting this software for free requires a specific trade-off. You must provide the technical labor to self-host and maintain it on your own servers. You have two distinct paths forward. Self-host the open-source version to reduce long-term software costs, or you can pay for the official Zammad cloud tier to offload server administration entirely. Evaluating Zammad requires looking past the feature list. The decision hinges entirely on whether your organization has the internal IT capability required to deploy and maintain the free, self-hosted version. This comparison matrix outlines the technical reality of deploying Zammad. Running the platform requires a specific technical stack: Ruby on Rails, PostgreSQL, and Elasticsearch. For capable IT staff, official Docker deployment options simplify this complexity, typically bringing a functional instance online in under an hour. That hour of setup changes the financial math of your support operations. By self-hosting, you cap your software costs at the flat price of your server infrastructure, typically $40 to $70 a month, regardless of how many agents you hire. The direct trade-off for those zero licensing fees is ongoing responsibility. Your internal IT staff must handle server provisioning, security updates, and critical backup management for all your customer data. You also have to accurately provision your server. Zammad relies on Elasticsearch for its search capabilities, and underestimating the memory requirements for that dependency is a frequent cause of deployment failure. If your business lacks a dedicated IT function to handle these demands, self-hosting is difficult to justify. You will need to purchase the managed Zammad cloud option, which removes the maintenance burden but changes the initial return on investment. Self-hosting moves your help desk expense from a per-head cost into a predictable, fixed utility bill. You just need the technical talent in-house to keep the lights on. Once deployed, Zammad centralizes your operations. It pulls intake from your support emails, web contact forms, VoIP phone systems, and social media platforms directly into one unified inbox. By forcing all incoming communication through this central system, you establish clear ticket ownership. Priority levels are set instantly, and managers gain immediate visibility, stopping client requests from falling through the cracks. A common mistake new teams make is turning on all of these intake channels simultaneously before agents understand how to navigate the new ticket workflows. To prevent overwhelming your staff, implement a phased rollout. Connect only your primary support email address first, allowing the team to build confidence in the interface. During this initial phase, you must configure automated workflows. Set up rules to route routine tickets and trigger status updates automatically. Otherwise, manual triage will bottleneck your entire support system as volume grows. Zammad has the capacity to ingest every customer touchpoint your business operates. Keeping the system stable requires organizational discipline and a deliberate rollout. This quadrant chart plots the return on investment for Zammad's features. The built-in customer-facing knowledge base sits squarely in the high-effort, high-impact zone, serving as your primary tool for reducing repetitive support volume. Unlike basic email integration, which takes minutes, a useful knowledge base requires heavy upfront investment. Your team has to dedicate hours to writing, structuring, and refining documentation for your users. Skipping this ensures agents spend their days manually typing answers to the same routine questions, wasting time meant for complex issues. Taking the time to build and maintain this self-service resource improves your support operation. You stop merely reacting to incoming tickets and start preventing them before they ever reach your team. To connect your support data with the rest of your business operations, Zammad utilizes a REST API and Webhub support. This allows developers to push and pull data directly into external CRMs or notification systems. Compared to commercial platforms like Zendesk, Zammad offers a significantly smaller marketplace of native, click-to-install third-party applications. Achieving deep integration with your existing software stack will likely require custom scripting and developer hours to execute properly. Zammad trades the immediate convenience of commercial plug-and-play app stores for the flexibility of raw developer access to your data. Consider a growing 15-person company migrating their support operations over to a self-hosted instance of Zammad. A mid-tier commercial plan for that same team costs between $750 and $1,400 a month. A properly sized server for Zammad costs $40 to $70 a month. By choosing to self-host, that company saves between $8,000 and $16,000 annually, simply by trading a software license for infrastructure overhead. Beyond the direct financial return, self-hosting provides a security advantage. All sensitive customer conversation history remains entirely within the company's private infrastructure, rather than on a third-party server. As that 15-person team scales to 30 or 50 agents, the financial benefit increases. Adding new hires never triggers additional software licensing costs. This decision tree maps out who should adopt Zammad. If you're using a shared inbox, it provides the necessary structure. If you pay high SaaS fees, your path depends on IT capacity. Talent to manage a server? Self-host. Lacking IT support? Opt for Zammad Cloud. If your business requires omni-channel live chat combined with support, needs specific enterprise compliance plugins, or if it lacks IT staff and refuses to pay for cloud hosting, Zammad is not the right fit. If you do decide to migrate, prioritize current data. Export your ticket history, but only migrate active, ongoing requests into Zammad. Attempting to force years of historical data into a new system often requires custom scripting that can delay your deployment. Run your old platform and Zammad in parallel for 3 to 5 weeks. Verify your email routing, refine your workflows, and guarantee the configuration is correct before making the final cutover. Zammad delivers an enterprise-grade helpdesk system at zero licensing cost, provided your business possesses the operational maturity and technical capability to deploy it correctly.